Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I think I got a unique way of dealing with them Thanksgiving leftovers. So, let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, of course we got the Thanksgiving leftovers here. We got the old stuffing, got a slab of turkey breast there, and one of my favorites, the cranberry jelly. So this is the ingredients. Grab a couple other things here and we'll show you what we're going to do to change this up and make a really good meal. So hang on. Alright y'all, guess I didn't tell you what we're going to be making. We're going to be making a grilled turkey sandwich with a cool cranberry mayo dressing. So first thing I'm going to do, come over here, get your hand right in there, get you some of that stuffing. I'm going to pack that out. Get that all nice and smooth around there. I'm going to make a couple of those because we're making a sandwich. We're going to grill that up and get it good and crispy both sides. We're going to throw the turkey on there and get it warming up too. Now this works. You got to kind of get your stuffing all good and packed together so it doesn't fall apart while you're cooking it. But honestly, it is a lot better than what you think. So, alright, that ought to do for that. We'll get some heat under that, and we'll get the stuff ready to make the cranberry mayo. So, hang on. Alright y'all, we're going to make that cranberry mayo. It's real simple to do. Just get you some real mayonnaise. None of that salad dressing stuff. That's about a half a cup there. Take you a couple slabs of the cranberry jelly. Kind of chop her up. Just keep smushing her up. And honestly, this is a lot better than it looks. I was really skeptical the first time I ever tried it, you know, because I do like mayonnaise and I do like the cranberry, but I didn't know how it was going to be together, and it is awesome. Just keep kind of smushing that up. You want a few little chunks of the cranberry, but alright. Let's give her a little taste. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Got the tanginess of the mayo and a little bit of a bite of the cranberry. Gonna go awesome on this here sandwich. So this is starting to cook. The bread starting to cook, so we're gonna get back on that. Alright y'all, get underneath this here, flip it over. We're just going to keep doing that until it gets nice and crispy and brown. And keep flipping our turkey over here till it's good and warm. So now I have had to add a little butter or a little cooking spray sometimes to the griddle, but I think today it's going to be alright. So I'm going to continue cooking. So bring y'all back when we're a little further along. Alright y'all, got this stuffing all toasted up. This one here I didn't get packed as well as what I would have liked to have. It's kind of falling apart a little bit, but hey, it's still edible. So See there, it's falling apart a little bit. Take our turkey here, put it on there. We're going to set this off to the side so we don't want it to burn. We're going to take a little bit of this mayo here, just slather it on there. Oh yeah. Y'all want that look delicious? And we'll fold that over, and there's our sandwich. Bring it back when we get ready to take a bite. Alright y'all, got the sandwich going, but I'm going to eat it with a fork because basically I didn't take enough time, got in a rush trying to show you all, and I didn't get that stuffing packed well enough to make the sandwich, but it does make a good sandwich. And That cranberry mayo, that hits the spot right there, man. I'm telling you. But if you want to do this, you know, you could do an open face sandwich. Cut out the mayo, put a little turkey gravy over top of it, have yourself a nice open face sandwich. So, that is so good. I love it. So, there y'all have it. How I deal with the Thanksgiving leftovers. Do ham that way too. So, beverage of the day, good old standby coffee. So, delicious as always. The nectar of the gods, the black bean java. Awesome. So, anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope this give you an idea what you can do with some leftover Thanksgiving food. And appreciate y'all. Please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell. That way you'll see what's coming up next. And always, please come to the live stream. You know, we have a good time there. It's always good to see my subscribers and get a chance to give you a little talk to and everything. And so, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. And have a great holiday season. Bon appetit.